He's going on a date. Psych, I fucking hate men and I probably won't talk to one again until I'm 35. But if I were going on a date, I'd beat my face like this. I have skincare on, so I'm gonna wipe my brows before I gel them. It helps the gel lay so much better. The Rare Beauty brow gel is my absolute favorite. It's the best brow gel I've ever tried so far. I love the NYX brow pen so much. I rest my hand on my face to like stabilize my hand and then just draw really light strokes. Thin flat brush like this and the Armani concealer. The more product you have on this, the easier it is to get like a nice consistent line. Bring my whole lid and I like to bring it out and then my inner corner too. I'm an eye mask hater. I'm already dealing with some pilling and I barely put product up there. When it happens, I just like to take a fluffy brush and kind of like flake the pilling spots off. My Makeup by Mario, the Neutrals palette, because I like the cool tones with the purple, you know. I usually set my lids with loose powder, but I'm gonna use the lightest shade and go in my inner corner to set it. It's like this stick better on a wet base. Just pack it on the inner half of this glam's gonna be very beat down because whatever man I'm dating needs to know what type of bitch I am, okay? This shade right here, get the outer half and blend up into your crease. Use such light pressure with eyeshadow. When you use hard pressure, it just kind of disrupts the base and the blend gets fucked up. Take this shade right above it, under eyebrow part. I don't want this to be as dark as this shade over here. A little depth, so this shade is actually perfect. Go back in and reinforce the light shade right here. Ooh, poppin'. A little above my crease, so when my eyes are all the way open, you can see that brightness in there. The chances of a man seeing me without my wing liner are slim to none. This dark brown shade. I feel like wings automatically give you a flirty, sexy type of look, which is perfect for dates. This shade right next to the dark brown, just go over top of it with really light pressure. Back and forth little sweeping motions. I'm going on a date, but I am going to dinner with my parents to celebrate 200K, which is still a very exciting thing. They used to catch me talking to myself in the mirror making makeup tutorials, so I'm sure they are very proud right now. Tight line with the Give black liner to give it some extra depth at the lash line. Snatching it back up. Once I do that, I go at the edge with the brush and nothing on it and kind of redefine where that darkness is at. Lancome lash primer and then the Charlotte Exaggerize. I always come back to this, like my last situationship. There's one thin coat, like you see why I love her. I use Grande lash serum if you were curious. I had some Kiss Airy Wispy lashes. These are subtle enough that he might think these are real, and I love catfishing. Merit Great Skin Serum. This is amazing. I feel like a glowy base is super flirty vibe, and actually, I don't give a fuck what men like, but I think they like it. The Say Glowy Gel in the rose color. I stopped using this for a while and I don't know why. The finish is stunning. House Labs foundation. This is super glowy. Very much make it full coverage though. Fuck, I forgot my color corrector. Sorry, that was so aggressive. We're gonna use some Kosas pink color corrector. I'm not used to using this, but it makes such a big difference. I need to. It works over top of foundations, so slay Kosas. Sealed the pimples with the soft matte concealer. This is undefeated. It actually dries down, so whenever you put stuff on top of it, it doesn't move. Complete obsession with the Rare Beauty bronzer. It's in Solid. She makes products that are just so easy to work with. Ends out like butter. If you like the Say liquid bronzers, you will love this. My jaw contour mostly under, and then with nothing like really left, I bring it actually onto my jaw. Take a little extra bronzer on my brush and really make sure I'm like sculpting out my cheekbones. Tilt your head up, you can see the line of bronzer, so I like to take my brush and blend that out. The Mario blushes are so pigmented and long lasting. This one's an earthy pink. Armani concealer per usual. I like to spread out and kind of carve the shape I want my concealer to blend in. I feel like it blends out so much better that way. Add a little bit more around the mouth in case the date gets frisky. I'm really committing to the bit here, babe. You're going to dinner with your parents. I have these Mario dupes on my Amazon storefront. It's in my bio. I finally figured it out, y'all. I've been seeing your comments and I'm gonna make a brush video soon. Just give me time. Love this Real Techniques brush for under my eyes too. It's so fluffy and blends it out so easily. Concealer last because it's easy to clean up any mistakes and like tone down some of the other parts. Using pressed powder then loose powder is how you get the most creaseless under eye ever. Love these Kosas powders. They're so blurring and lightweight. Huda glowish powder everywhere else because it does keep a glow. Sad they discontinued this. What a hoe. Setting your makeup in with the puff will make it the most long lasting, I swear. If you have texture, stick with matte. You won't like this. The milk chocolate bronzer because it's cooler toned and doesn't make you look orangey. Doing a cream layer, then setting it all with powder is how you get the most long lasting filtered makeup. If you don't like nose contour, I kind of just smudge it on my face because I hate when you see lines. I love the Kosas blushes. This one is in Euphoria. The glow, but nothing overwhelming, and it's not gonna like pick up on your texture bad. I just do blush on my temples. I think it is the cutest thing ever. Always tap off the excess powder and get it even on your puff. It makes such a difference. Go in and brighten and do the last layer of like setting reinforcement. You know, my under eyes never crease with this method. Use this shade all over my lower lash line, just blend it out. If you're skipping bottom eyeshadow, you are really missing out. This shade right here, and I'm just gonna draw it really close on the outer edge. I'm not gonna drag this all the way in because I don't want anything too smoky. I think I'm gonna put some right in my inner tear duct here, make that area pop a bit. Brighten this whole inner corner up with this white shadow. Blend it into my under eye a bit for some brightness. Nude pencil and not white blends so much better in your waterline. I feel like white gives clown. Sorry, not sorry. I'm gonna highlight my nose and inner corner because my setting spray is gonna bring glow back. Makeup Forever Wherever Walnut is my favorite pinky nude shade. It's so cool toned and Gorgina. I love the Fenty Gloss Bomb sticks. And is it fuzzy? I think the glosses are too sticky, but I love these. Cover my hairline with the towel so my setting spray doesn't like ruin it. Love me some Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. She just melts all your makeup in. Got another date bad bitchification. This is the Patrick Tall body lotion. I'm obsessed with it. I hope this look makes you feel like a baddie and you get to take home a baddie with you. Bye bitches, love ya.